Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can play music on your iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen, and on home screen, swipe across the screen and look for the music app. If you do not find music app available on your screen, you can swipe across to open up your app library. And here, if you go down to the entertainment folder, and then if you tap on music app in there, it will open. Otherwise, you can use the search function to look for your music app. So tap on music to open up the app. Once it is open, down here you have listen now, browse, radio, library, and search. So for listen now, you can play music based on your taste. It will give you recommendations, and you can discover your favorite albums, playlists, interviews, and other personal mixes. So that is the listen now. And then you got browse. Browse will allow you to explore music in different category. So you can go across, look for the music that you like. You got editor's pick, new music. And if you go down, there's quite a lot of different recommendations on new release as well. And then you got best songs, charts, daily top 100, and pick of the day, and so on. So it's quite a lot of things in here you can browse through to look for music if you're not sure what to listen to. And then you got radio stations that you can tune in. And another tab is your library. Library tab basically has all the music on your device. So if you tap on music, you can see it shows, at the moment it shows some songs that I have downloaded via the music app. And then these songs here, Faded, I have added to the library, but it has not downloaded yet. That means if I go offline, I cannot listen to these songs. Whereas the songs that I have already downloaded, it shows a download icon right next to it. That means I can play the songs even if I'm offline. And in here, in the library, you got playlists. You can create a playlist. You got songs displayed by artists. You can view all the songs by albums, so you can filter songs by albums. And then you got songs basically display all your songs in the library. And then you got genres, it will filter by composer. And if you tap on the downloaded sections, it shows you all the songs that has been downloaded. So 3 songs has been downloaded. And in here you can view playlists, artists, again albums, composer. And if you look at the top here, it's saying that showing only music on this iPhone. So basically any songs that has been downloaded on this iPhone, you can see it in here in the downloaded section of your music app. And the final option is the search button. Search allow you to put in an artist or a song's name or maybe a lyrics, and it will try its best to return a search result that is closely matched to your keywords. So that's how you can use the music library. And in here, if we tap on the library, then you can go to songs, and then you can tap on the songs that you want to play. And then down here, it will start. So here, if we tap on the play button, it will start playing the music right here. You can bring the one up, or you can bring it down. So once you bring up the player, you got the play button, the fast forward, or rewind. And here you can control the volume at the bottom. You can tap on this to show the lyrics or to hide. And then you got the playlist down here. And that's it. That's quite straightforward. That's how you can play music on your iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.